Ika, ikaw ang ano ha, kaya nag-confirm ako dahil sa'yo. Sabi mo,
Kala ko mabukot pa yun.
Okay.
Ako nag-confirm ako eh. Kala ko gagawin ko eh.
Sir, may 50 ako dito. 15. 15 na lang ko lang. Ha?
Ito nga ako eh. Umarap pa yung kanina. Kami na pag-asapan. Biglang nagtabang dito.
First position now Central. Yes, on the muscle man, Pangilinan.
Sir, balik na isa. Okay, sa baka.
2-0. Cabana to Kabusi. First time, nice fake, Kabusi. Right? Steal by Makalalad. Makalalad. Pass to the muscle man all the way. Muscle man, Pangilinan.
nagawa ang animal.
4-0. Cabana to Gomez. Manuel. Fake. Pass to Gomez. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Simbaco. First basket. Yes on Simbaco. 4-2. 2-point lead on Central. Orabi. Pass to Makalalad. Makalalad. Is fake.
Ikot, swing.
To Orabi. Ten to shoot, 10. Manalo. Try, pack, pick, nice try. Manalo, in and out. Rebound on Simbaco. Simbaco to Cabana. Cabana, guard by Orbi. Cabana to Kabusi. Side step or a jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Orbi. Manalo.
Gina.
Pass to Orbi. Orbi. Oh, nice pass, but not. Turnover on Central. Score still 4-2. 2-point lead on Central. Cabana.
Nice one.
Manuel. Ball off. Rebound on.
Sabay ka. Good.
Manalo now. Stop up. Nice pass again. The muscle man. Pangalanan. Now 6-2. All points coming from the muscle man. Pangilinan.
Oo, hindi pa siya. Hindi pa sa butang yan.
Ano sir, 2-6?
Buwang kabusi.
Manuel. Oh! Steal again by Central. Pangilinan the muscle man. Pagtulang foul. Foul on Cabana. First team foul on UE. First on Cabana. Seven to 2. Back to 5-point lead on Central. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Upper scorer, Central against UAE. European League category. Manuel to Gomez. Still again by Makalalad. Makalalad to Sir Manalo.
Balik, Manalo!
Sir Manalo now. Stop.
Brad Gillen.
Setting a play. 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Gomez. Second team foul on UAE. First on Gomez.
Pero lang, nakautan na sila. Tampak tayo, 10.
Alam mo, Borday.
Lang tayo sa
6 minutes, 50 seconds.
6 minutes na.
8-2 now, 8-2.
Sila ano? Sino pa ba?
Simbaco. 40 to shoot. Pass to Kabusi. All the way out to strong rebound by Abdala. Abdala to Sir Manalo. Sir Manalo pull out jumper to strong rebound on Gomez. Gomez to Cabana. Foul. Foul on number 35 on Central. Makalalad first team foul against Swing Central. Short. Up by Kabisi. Central ball, 6 minutes. 8 to 2, 6-point lead on Central. Harvey. Pass to Sir Manalo. Favorite spot, favorite position, stop, in and out on Makalalad rebound. Rebound again on Gomez. Gomez now. Gomez. To Cabana. Drive, skate, Cabana, all ball. Rebound on Central, the Muscleman, short. Muscleman again, foul.
Nice schedule. Libre.
Foul on Gomez. Second personal foul on Gomez. Third on UAE.
Dalawa na si Gomez, oh.
Bang, bang.
5 minutes, 21 seconds. Orby, 14 to shoot. 10.
Babana, sir!
Kabusi. Kabusi, left-hander, getting out, rebound on Orby. White ball, 14 is a shot, 14. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Manuel. Steal again by Ardy. It's 4-2 to Manalo. Si Manalo, nice pass. Set for Manalo, foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. Warning for penalty on UAE. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Score, 8-2. Basket time out, Tyler. Basket time out. Time out. On. Score 11-2. 9-point lead on Central. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. For first quarter, Central against CE. Manuel now. Stop back, looking for Gomez. Back to Cabana, open jump. Bang on Cabana. Now 11-5, back to 6-point lead on Central. Arby. Guarded by Cabana. Makalalad, guarded by Simbaco. Abdala. Arby! Nice service pass coming from Abdala. 13 bang. Back to 8-point lead on Central. Kabusi, yes on Kabusi. 37. 7.6-point lead on Central. Arabi. Bang! On Arabi. 16-7. 9-point lead on Central. Cabana, 3 minutes 40. Simbaco. Guarded by Makalalad to throw, rebound by Kabusi. Fake. Foul.
Pangilinan, taas mo kamay mo.
Foul on the Muscleman, Pangilinan. Second team foul on Central.
Yung kalaban na taas sa
16-8. 8-point lead on Central. 3 minutes. 32 seconds. Short. Simbaco. Short again. Gomez. Yes, on Gomez. 16-10. Now 6-point lead on Central. Orby. Master run right for foul.
Hoy, Paul! Tumawag! Ganun mo yan. Usap kayo, rep.
Push foul left. Push foul left, push foul. Foul on Manuel.
Takpan siya, kaya di niya nakita. Nice one, Kapusin.
3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Dami na sana kung pumasok.
16-10, 6-point lead now on Central. 17-10. Back to 7-point lead on Central. 3 minutes. Cabana. To Gomez. Steal again by Orbe. Complete steal. Manalo. Drive. Nice pass. Taza. Makalanan. One of assist coming from Manalo. Now 19-10. 9-point lead on Central. Simbaco. For Kabusi. Kabusi now. Drive. Step. Side step. Kabusi. In and out. Kabusi. 12-19. Walang ball game. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Sir Manalo, stop up. Cardi Cabana. Manalo pick. Up to Orby. Same spot. Too strong. Rebound on the muscle man. Stop up the muscle drive. Short. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez to Kabusi. Kabusi. Post to post. Kabusi. Side step. Pow. Foul on Orby. 13 foul on Central. Second personal foul on Orby. 2 minutes. These 2 minutes is brought to you by Twico Cargo. Time to shoot. Time. Rebound again. The Giants out. Too strong. Masterman now.
Kalma, ikot.
Masterman to Sir Manalo.
Angat.
Sir Manalo. Drive. Crowd. Nice pass to Masterman. Masterman to Orby. Too strong. Rebound. Foul on Sir Manalo. Warning for penalty on Central. Warning. First personal foul against Sir Manalo. Kabusi. 1 minute 10 seconds. 1-on-1 to Orby. Kabusi. Pass to Gomez. All alone. Gomez. 19-40 now. 5-point lead to Central. 58 seconds. Orby.
Huwag ka na mag-explain.
47 seconds. 47. Kabusi, one and by Makalalan. Yeah, Kabusi! 30 seconds. 19-16. Makalalan. Stop up, pull out jump, triple shot, too strong, rebound Kabusi. 20 seconds.
Bigay na!
Bobol!
Beng!
Pindot. Tatawag ko lang.
Oo, wala!
10 seconds.
Tignan nyo kasing bola.
Foul.
Tigil lahat kayo eh.
Foul on Orby. Penalty red, penalty.
5 seconds. Last shot sila.
Second on Orby. $17-90. 5 seconds. 5.
Last shot ha. 5 seconds. Kapag napasok, time out.
Balik, balik! Baba!
And our first quarter, our score, 19-17, 2-point lead.
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Come on, defense!
UA ball. Rebounding. To John. 18 to shoot, 18. 18 to shoot. John. To Diaz. Too strong. Rebound on Pasha. Pass. Like that. To Santos. Pasha. Fake. Outside. In and out. Oh! Veteran home coming from Navarro.
Hands up, hands up.
21-17, 4-point lead now on Central. Kaku. Kaku. Steal on Isole. Isole all the way, foul.
Yung pasa nyo!
Foul on Jung De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz, first team foul on you. 8 minutes, 51 seconds. This is our first game, Open League category. Central against UAE. Nice one by Isole. 22-17. Still again by Isole. Isole. To Navarro. Coast to coast, too strong. Last touch by White. Last touch, 14 seconds at shot clock, 14. Rebounding Navarro. To 10 to shoot. Yes, on Navarro. Foul. Foul on Pasha. First personal foul against Pasha. First team foul on Central. 8 minutes.
Guys, Kako!
8 minutes.
Huwag kasi puro tawa, depensa lang!
24-17. 24-18 now. 7-point lead on Central. Isole. Too strong. Oh! Too strong again. Penetrante. Foul. Foul on Diaz. Second team foul on UAE.
Number 23!
First on Diaz.
Ay, mo critical.
Number
Number
23!
15 na.
Number 23!
Warning on number 15 Diaz for complaining. Warning on Diaz. Ay shot at Penetrante.
Isang malaki.
Hindi, buti lang kuha na eh.
Foul. Foul on number 15 on Pasha. First on Pasha, second team foul. Second personal foul on Pasha. Diaz. Drive. Yeah! Steal on Isole. Penetrante. Penetrante.
Kita!
Looking go. Steal by the Ninja. Jan, drive, Jan, to strong, rebound by Pasha. To Isole. Isole to Santos. 27-18.
Tinignan ko eh.
Nice shot for De La Cruz. Tuadilo. Foul. Foul on Pinitante. 13 foul on Central. First against Pinitante. 6 minutes 58 seconds. 40 to shoot. Diaz. Too strong. Ivan by Diaz. 40 to shoot. Stop up. Diaz. Yes. On Diaz. 27-20. Navarro.
Dalim ka 23!
Pass again. Santos. 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 Too strong. Santos drive. Santos drive. Santos. Ah, steal on dyan. Foul. Foul on Navarro. First on Navarro. Warning for penalty against Central. Warning for penalty on Central. De La Cruz. Too strong. Rebound on the Ninja. Bang! The Ninja! 27-22. 5-point lead now on Central. Isole. To Pasha. Back to Santos. Outside. Penetrante. Yes! The champions pass coming from Central. 29-22. Back to 7-point lead on Central. The Ninja now. Fake. Pass to Diaz. Diaz fake. Diaz drive. Yes on Diaz. 29-24. 5-point lead on Central. Isole to Santos. Santos. Again, James Bond. Too strong. Rebound on.
Atin. Red ball. Rebound.
Same ball. 14 to shoot. Last touch on White.
Muna kayo.
This is our first game. Open League category. Central against UAE.
Okay.
Wow! Santos. The extra is 2.0. Santos. 31-24. 7-point lead Central. 5 minutes. De La Cruz. Pass Diaz. Fake. Diaz take. Karibet Pinitante. To the Ninja. Pass to Kako. Kako looking for Angelo. 10 to shoot. 10. Isole. Yes, Isole. Timeout. Our next game will be Delta against Papa Balls or of Filipino Cup. Season 6. Mga basketballista. De La Cruz. To the Ninja. Fake. Air ball. Rebound on Navarro. Navarro. Steal by the Ninja. Ninja now to Diaz. 1-1 by Pasha. Diaz to Paco. Yes! So Paco. Nice pass. Penetrante! Nice pass coming from extra rise 2.0 Santos. 4 minutes. 35-26. Diaz.
Bang bang!
Bang on Diaz. 35-29. Isole to Navarro. Foul. Wow! Basket count ng 1 on Navarro. Foul on Angelo. 13 foul on UAE.
Ano ba yan?
38-29. Back to 9-point lead. on Central. The Ninja. Double duel. Nice defense on number 12, Ben Sole.
Isa gitna, isa ilalim.
Extra rise 2.0. Bang! What a strong move from extra rise 2.0 Santos. 40-29. Now 11 point lead on Central. 3 minutes.
One.
41-29. 12 point lead now. Central. Diaz, Lukaku. Black, may pasya. Navarro. To Isole. Stepping on the line. Turnover on Central. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. De La Cruz now. De La Cruz to Diaz. Pick. Black! May pasya! 1 and 1. It's 2 and 1. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. What a defense coming from Pasya. De La Cruz. 10 to shoot. Bang! 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 On De La Cruz. 41 to 32. 2 minutes. Navarro. Drive. Navarro. 43 to 32. Again, De La Cruz. Too strong. Angelo. Angelo now to the Ninja. Stop up the Ninja. Wala shot coming from the Ninja. 43 to 34. 9 point lead on Central. Navarro. Back to Pasya. Isole. Back to Navarro. Now it's a rise 2.0. Turnover on Central. 1 minute. 26 seconds. 9 point lead on Central. 43 to 34. The Ninja now. Ninja. Carried by Sole. Ninja escape. Ninja pop. Pull jumper. The Ninja short. Rebound on Navarro. Baseball bat. Push pass. Foul. Foul against De La Cruz. Second personal foul on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty against UAE. 1 minute and 6 seconds our second quarter. 2 free throw shot coming from Isole. First shot. Last free throw. Oh, still again. Foul. Basket ka. Dalawa on Isole. Foul on the Ninja. First on the Ninja. Penalty direct on Ye. What a shot on the aerial Voyager. Isole. 46 to 34. The Ninja. Escape. Nice defense on Pasya. Rebound on Navarro. To Isole. Isole now. The aerial Voyager. What a nice pass. Shot coming there. The Voyager now. 42 seconds. Bang! 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 On De La Cruz. 48-37. Ariel Bridger again. Ariel Bridger. Face stolen. 20 seconds. Still in the battle. Extra rise 2.0. Extra rise. Pass to Pau. Foul on number 14. Penalty, penalty.
May pag-jump ball na to.
50 to 37.
Kulang nga naman ng Tagalo, no? Dalawa lang sila.
Nice shot. 51-37. 11 seconds. 11. Diaz. 5 seconds. Our score 51 to 37. Ball game. Third quarter. Inbounding De La Cruz to Tumbalwa.
Tira!
Back to Tumbalwa. Joseph. A ball. Rebound on Simbaco. Simbaco now to Kabusi.
Huwag yung pakuha ng pelo yan!
Kabusi.
Diyan ka lang, huwag kang umangat!
Looking for Domingo. First basket. Air ball. Rebound De La Cruz. To Tumbalwa. Carded by Domingo. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Domingo. First on Domingo, first team foul against UAE. 9 minutes, 23 seconds.
Sir, balik sir, balik.
Out! Turnover! Simbaco. Baseball bat. Out. Back-to-back turnover by teams. 9 minutes, 13 seconds. 51 against 37.
Balik!
Tubumbalwa. Joseph. Nice defense. 50 to shoot. 15. Tubumbalwa. 40 to shoot.
Tira!
Hey, drive, stop, up. Bang! On Joseph! St. Joseph. Now 51, 50 to 37.
Harap na, walang pelo!
Kabusi. Carry by 2. Kabusi now. To Simbaco. Hey, drive, Simbaco. Foul. Foul on number 9. On Central.
Caceres.
First personal foul on Caceres. First team foul on Central. Yes! 38 to 53. 15-point lead on Central.
Tara, Chuchi! Diyan ka lang! Hoy!
De La Cruz. Nice defense yung Baco. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Our defending champion Central against UAE. Back-to-back turnover on Central. Inbounding Kabusi. To Rigeron.
Tol,
Sige now.
Layo, ang layo ng mga bitaw.
Nice pass. Kabusi. Black. To St. Joseph. St. Joseph now. St. Joseph. Turnover again on Central. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Steelers score 53 to 38. Favor of Central. Gomez. Drive. Stop. Pump. Gomez. In and out. Ibalan si Paco. Ibalan Gomez. Too strong. Simbaco. Yes! Simbaco! 53 to 40.
Depensa.
Caceres. To Talachuchi. Take. Drive. Escape. To De La Cruz. Wow! Malat pa Tumbalwa! 55 to 40. Back to 50-point lead on Central. Kabusi. Escape. Yes on Kabusi.
Pesto.
Now Caceres. Looking for Tubumbanwa. To St. Joseph. And pass. De La Cruz. Looking for Tubumbanwa. Skill by Domingo. Domingo to Simbaco. Yes on Simbaco. 44 to 55. Now 11-point lead on Central. Still again. It's 3-1. Simbaco. Escape. Aso Domingo. In and out. Rebound on team now. Domingo again. 14 to shoot. 14. To Riquelon. 10 to shoot. Domingo!
45.
Sa'yo yan! Wala di ba kasi?
46 to 55 now. 9-point lead on Central. Caceres. Tutubong Banwa. St. Joseph to De La Cruz. De La Cruz! Pass coming from St. Joseph. 57-46. Kabusi, drive, same spot. Rebound Kabusi. Tubong Banwa. Tubong Banwa to St. Joseph. Stop up. Panilwa by Domingo. Steal by Domingo. Domingo now. It's still 2. Domingo. Short. De La Cruz. To Calachuchi. Caceres. Target by Riquelon. Nice pass! Nice pass coming from St. Joseph to Tubong Banwa. 59 to 46. Back to 13-point lead on Central. Riquelon. 1-1 by Calachuchi. To Kabusi. Stop up. Bang! Kabusi! 48-59. 9-point lead Central.
Bang bang!
Short. St. Joseph again. Steal by Gomez. Gomez to Kabusi. Kabusi foul.
Down!
Sab.
Ay, wala ka!
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 4 on Calachuchi. Sub rep. Technical free throw on Kabusi. Sub rep.
Six people.
Pressure.
Kalachochi. Alas po ka.
49-59. 10-point lead on Central.
Bulan natin!
Diba dalawa?
59 to 50.
Tatlo kayo ha! Dolsin! Ayan!
Gomez. Foul! Basket count and 1 against Gomez. Foul on the Masterman. Pangilinan. 13 foul on Central. Second personal foul on the Masterman. Pangilinan. 53 to 59. 6-point lead on Central. Tubong Banwa. Pass to Simonalo. Caceres. Short. Kabusi. To Domingo. Domingo. Timeout on Central. Simonalo. To Caceres. To Simonalo. Foul. Foul on Riquelon. Second team foul on UE. First number 12 on Riquelon. St. Joseph. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Ikot. Diyan ka lang.
Tubong Banwa. 5. 40 to shoot. Wow! Back to 6-point lead on Central. 3 minutes. Diaz. Reganon. Looking for Diaz. Diaz now. Still on. Still again. Only 6-point lead on Central. Manalo. To Caceres. To Mubano. Short. Rebound on St. Joseph.
Nice to!
14 to shoot, reset clock, 14. 2 minutes, 40 seconds.
Rad! Corner!
Philippine, pero may drink.
Sir Manalo. Carberino, 10 to shoot, 10! Tumubanwa. Caceres, tumubanwa! Tumubanwa! 63 to 55, back to 8-point lead on Central. Diaz. To Domingo. To Gomez. Kapusi. Short. Rebound on Sir Manalo. Manalo now. Sir Manalo drive. It's 4-3. Sir Manalo drive. Pass to Wow! Substitution rep. Sub rep. One minute 56 seconds.
Baba na!
63 to 55. 8-point lead on Central.
Isa pa kapusin. Behind you! Titira ni Lebron niya.
Domingo. Reganon. Too strong. Rebound on Tabusi. Foul!
Number 20.
Foul on number 21, the Muscleman. Pangilinan. Third on the Muscleman. Warning for penalty on Central. 1 minute 37 seconds.
Ayaw na!
Yes! Domingo! Pass coming from Tabusi. 63 to 57. 6-point lead now on Central. Foul!
Ilan na yan?
Foul on number 24 on Gomez.
Ilan na yan, ma'am?
13 foul on Gomez. Third personal foul on Gomez.
Kabila, isa!
1 minute 20 seconds.
Parang ang takot na, no?
Last free throw on the Muscleman.
Ay, dower ba?
Still by Ore. Sir Manalo. Easy shot coming from Sir Manalo. 65 to 57. 8-point lead on. Kabusi now. Escape. Kabusi left-handed. Yes on Kabusi.
Marunong ka pala nun?
50 seconds. Sir Manalo. Pop. Short. Ibayan Diaz. Foul. Foul on Orabi. Penalty na penalty. Third personal foul on Orabi.
Mamaya, takbuhan mo. Walang makakatakbo ka.
39 seconds.
Painitin nyo. Nice to.
Nice to!
60 to 65.
Grabe ni Lebron.
Mana lang! Nice to!
61 to 65. 4-point lead now on Central. 30 seconds.
Kahit niya tara. Domingo!
Tira!
10 to shoot. 10.
Okay, dandan lang.
Oh, Kabusi, 10 seconds.
Bra!
Kako yung pass break nila.
Sila ang napulitan siya.
Our next game, we will Delta versus Atabos.
Hands up! Hands up!
Kabusi, Kaku. Wow!
Tatlo Kako!
Alon Navarro. First on Navarro. First team foul on Central. 3-3 close shot against Kaku. Second on Navarro.
Yan! Isa na lang naman! Paniindot kasi kaya pangakong tira eh. Grabe ako. Hindi ka nagawa? Nasa nagawa kayo.
Ako! Kako! Kako!
Yes! Son Gomez! 68 to 66. 2-point lead on Central. Pasya. Black foul.
Grabe yung foul sa kanila. Sayang foul.
Foul on number 22 on Kabusi. First on Kabusi, first team foul on Central. UAE. Short.
Ano first quarter? Dalawa na lang. First quarter.
69 to 66. 3-point lead back to you, Central.
Tarin mo si Diaz. Tapos tarin mo.
Kabusi.
1-on-1.
Carried by Pintante. To Diaz. Carried by Sole. Kaku. 10 to shoot. 10. Short. Navarro.
Bana!
Foul. Foul on Kabusi. Second team foul on UAE. Second personal foul on Kabusi.
Rep.
Yes, on Navarro. 71-66. Back to 5-point lead on Central. Diaz. Kalibet Picante. Diaz. 10 to shoot.
Tas kamay!
Navarro. To Pasya. Pasya now. Steal by Kabusi. To Diaz. Makalan. To Pasya. Short. Rebound on Gomez. Nice steal on Navarro. Pasya. Nice pass. Block. By Gomez. Timeout on UE. 71-66, 7 minutes and 32 seconds on the last quarter. Black. Cabana. Carried by Sole. Cabana. Drive, coast to coast, Cabana. Rebound on exercise 2.0. Navarro. Turnover on Central. Simbaco now. To Diaz. Steal by Sole. Now is Sole to Penetrante. Bang! Basket count and one on Penetrante. Foul on Diaz. Second personal foul on Diaz. Sabi ko sa left sub. Foul on Simbaco. Sabi ko sa left sub.
Hindi pala si Diaz.
Diaz out, Diaz.
Score na. Counted.
Counted? 63? 73.
Konti?
73.
Kanina.
Ikaw ba naman, sick?
73 to 66.
Behind you!
9.
Kabusi. Pass to Kabusi. Pick, hook shot, short. Rebound Gomez. Black. Gomez again. Short. Foul. Foul on Cabana. Warning for penalty on UAE. Warning for penalty. 6 minutes.
Bola!
Second personal foul on Cabana. Extra rise 2.0. Nice pass. Pinintante. Still. Solid. Time to shoot. Done. Short. Gomez. To Kabusi. Big. Foul. Oh! Basket ka ng Kabusi. Foul on Makalarad. Second team. Sub. Person Makalarad. Second team foul on Central.
Sapa.
Score na.
It's good one. Nice pass. Now, Bago! 75 to 68. Back to 7-point lead on Central. Gomez. Turnover on 13 foul on Central, third team foul against Central. Diaz. To Kabusi. Oh! Steal! Isole! Erberger! Isole! 77-68. Kabusi now. 4 minutes 30. Basket ka on Gomez! 77-70. 7-point lead on Central. Manalo to Navarro. Stop out. Too strong. Rebound on Gomez. Gomez now. Kabusi to Simbaco. Stop, drive. Kabusi. Steal again by Navarro. Sir Manalo. Extra rise 2.0 out. Opening violation on extra rise 2.0. Substitution rep sub. Sub. 77-70. 7-point lead Central. Kabusi. Guarded by St. Joseph. Gomez. Yes, on Gomez. 5-point lead now Central. 77-72. Sir Manalo to Navarro. Back to Sir Navarro. Sir Manalo. Navarro. Stop, pump, drive, back side. St. Joseph, too strong. Rebound on Navarro. Steal by Diaz. Diaz to Reganon to Simbaco. Stop, foul. Foul on number 22 on St. Joseph. Warning for penalty on Central. 2 minutes 58 seconds. 72 against 77. 5-point lead on Central. 73-77. 4-point lead now on Central. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Arabi to Eric Voyager to Sir Manalo. Pump to Song. Rebound on Reganon. Kabusi, escape. Kabusi, 1-1. Kabusi to Simbaco. Yes! Oh, Simbaco! Foul. Foul on Simbaco. Penalty, penalty. Third personal foul on Simbaco. 2 shots. Given by Orby. 2 minutes 28 seconds. 2 minutes 28 seconds.
Rebound. Nice.
Gomez. To Simbaco. Kabusi. Foul. Foul on the aerial voyager. Isole. Penalty. Both teams now in penalty. First personal foul on the aerial voyager and Sole. $76 to 77, 1 point lead now on Central. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Rico Cargo. Too strong. Rebound on Reganon. Reganon to Kabusi. Kabusi. Pass to Simbaco. Yes! Time out on Central. Now 78 to 7. 1 minute 46 seconds. Our remaining time for a fourth quarter. Central against UAE. 78-77. Arabi. Massiman. To Harvey. Wow!
Rabi, get your man.
79 to 78. 1 point lead now on Central. Kabusi. Carried by Navarro. Diaz. Short. Rebound by Manalo. Manalo. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Reganon. Penalty. Both teams now in penalty. Second personal foul on Reganon. Our score 79-78. 78-80. 2 point lead now Central. 1 minute and 14 seconds. This is our open league category. Rim Central and UAE. 81 to 78. Time out. UAE. And 14 seconds. 14 is at 14. 1 minute 14 seconds.
Kuha. Rabi. Go space, Rabi.
Kabusi.
Nice, Rabi. Take it.
Time to shoot, man.
Rabi.
Foul. Foul on Navarro. Blocking foul on Navarro. Penalty there at penalty.
Third on ba?
Third personal foul on Navarro. Penalty red. Both teams now penalty. Both teams now in penalty. 81-79, 2 point lead on UAE Central. 1 minute and 4 seconds.
James.
Foul. Foul on number 24, Ron Gomez, penalty. Fourth personal foul on Gomez, warning on Gomez. Foul, technical foul on number 15 on Diaz.
Brad, di ka mag-free mo muna.
Technical free throw against Central.
Penalty pa yan, ha? Wala pa. Penalty, anong wala?
Technical free throw. Oh, sa dito
Penalty,
sa left side.
Pasok? Wala.
Warning on UAE for delaying the game. Warning on UAE for delaying the game.
Pangilinan, tuhod.
1 minute, 2 seconds. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Backward. Go down, Rabi!
UAE ball, UAE ball, UAE. White ball. Left, dito left. Right ball, right ball.
May call doon, no?
Kayo. Araw tayo, sir, araw.
Bola. Kuha tao.
Jump ball, red ball, UAE ball.
Brad, tao, Brad.
55 seconds, 55.
Take him! Go foul! Go foul!
Foul on Orby. Penalty.
Dalawa?
2 free throw shot ang Simbaco.
Dalawa.
Sab, ha?
Basket sub dito sa net, basket sub. Basket sub. 48 seconds. Sub dito sa net, sub.
Labas bola!
81 to 80, 48 seconds.
Wala kayo time out, ha? Wala nang time out.
Harvey. Knock out. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Gabusi. Third personal foul on Gabusi. Penalty direct, penalty. 35 seconds, 39.
Nice shot!
Early entry.
Nice one!
35 seconds, 39. $83 to 80. Simbaco. He's stepping on the line. 27 seconds, 27.
Last one! Ang daming danan sa kilid! Joke! Last one! Easy! Let's go!
20 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 8 to Simbaco. Penalty ref, penalty. Fourth personal foul against Simbaco. 19 seconds, 19, remain time, 19.
Nice, Manalo!
84-80. Foul. 10 seconds. All on extra rise 2.0 Santos. Second on extra rise 2.0 Santos. Penalty. 10 seconds, 10.
قدام 10 ثواني وبعد ربعه وبعد في جيم وبعد ما لو سجلها خسروا. هاي خلاص جاهز هاي عملوا خسروا
Foul. 7 seconds, 7.
لو كانت باقة طريقة
Foul on number 1, Orser Manalo. Penalty. 7 seconds, 7 seconds. 7 seconds, 7 seconds.
بس عندهم 10 الحين مش لاعبين 6 لاعبين جديد انك كامل 1 2 4 5
7 seconds. No time out left, no time out. 7 seconds.
لعيبه ما جايبين كامل 11 الاكثر 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
And normal game, our winners, Central 84 against 280. Our next game.
Kapusi, kapusi!